Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your account was compromised. So guys, when you have opened your Instagram in your phone and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first way is you need to click on this change password, and guys after this you will find a new interface in which you will be able to change your password. So guys, simply you need to change your password. And guys after doing this, if this method is not working, then guys you need to go back. And guys after going to back, you need to open an internet browser. So guys, for example, I am going to open here a simple browser that here you can see. And guys after opening this browser, then guys here you need to search Instagram. And guys after searching it, you need to wait for result. And guys now you can see this type of interface. So guys simply you need to open first one website, official website of Instagram. And guys after this you need to click on login. And guys here you need to click on simply forget password. And guys after this, here you need to write your email address. So guys, for example, I am going to write this one. And guys you need to click on send login link. And guys after this, you will be able, here you can see it's confirm it's you. So guys simply you need to click on I am not a robot. Here you need to select the fire hydrate pump. And guys after doing this, simply after verification you need to click on next button. So guys wait for a few seconds. So guys simply after doing this, you need to click on next button. And guys after clicking on next button, then guys here you can see I have simply you need to click on verify and click on next button. And guys after this you need to wait for a few seconds, as you can see. So guys now you can see we have sent a mail to this email address. So guys simply you need to open that email address. So guys now I am going to open this Gmail. And guys after opening it, here you will find, so guys first of all you need to select that Gmail in which you have entered on the website. So guys now you can see I have received a mail from here. So guys by clicking on both, your problem will be fixed. So guys if you are clicking on this one, this is my username. Also your account will be logged in on your app. And guys if you want to reset your password, simply you need to click on this tab. And guys you will be able to reset your password. And guys your problem will be fixed. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.